Friends, welcome to my new channel. In this channel you can learn how to make a concrete, color concrete, decorative concrete, stamped concrete, retaining walls, slabs, and many countertops and many different things. In this video I want to show you what we need, the basic things. We need also the hand saw. This hand saw we need if we are on the side or we don't have electricity, we need to cut some wood, some forming, so we use the hand saw. This hand saw I ordered on Shopee, and you need it. The full review of hand saw is coming next video. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like or dislike. Again, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye. God bless you.